It's me, Ashlyn, from Ashlyn's Super Awesome Show.
One.
Hello, we are at Dell'osso right now. I'm with my white horse. And I'm Ann.
You can put the helmet in the bucket, it's okay.
All right.
Hi.
Hello.
Which one would you like to go on?
I would like to get on that white horse. What's for me?
Sunny.
That's Sunny.
All
So
the
today on Ashlyn's show we have Sunny.
Ready? Yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your left foot here. And on 3 you're going
And a lot of horses to choose from. She's mounting the horse now. All right, you guys, you're in super military tactics here.
Did you?
Ashlyn is shooting at pumpkins and ghosts.
Give me? I couldn't.
Hand it to her so she can load it.
Okay.
Can you reach it? Here, I'll load it for you. Okay, come on up here.
Okay. I'm gonna drop it in. Get it.
Okay, let's put the thing
It's in there. No.
in and out. Okay, so whatever you're gonna aim at, aim above it. Oh yeah, that was pretty good.
Could I?
Yeah, it's your turn.
Okay.
Here, I'll
Last one.
load it in.
Load it.
Okay, step out of the shooting range. Step over by Mom.
Come here. Huh? Can you put the basket back over here?
Okay,
Ready?
push it in.
Basket
You
over
moved
here.
my aim.
Work on your aim again. Oh yeah.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video, and I hope you tune in for the next one. And please subscribe.